This is Tom from the National Weather Service in Raleigh, conducting our routine weekly briefing covering the period Thursday, December 26th, 2024 to Wednesday, January 1st, 2025. Taking a look at our upcoming weather pattern for Central North Carolina, today will be dry and slightly cooler than normal. Friday will have an increasing chance of rain and remain cool, especially if you're out in the Triad. We're expecting above normal temperatures and rain through the weekend. And as you can see from that graphic on Saturday, most of the East Coast will end up having a good chance of rain, and that will linger across much of the same area on Sunday. Going into next week, temperatures will remain above normal with another chance of rain Tuesday, and there is a chance of rain Tuesday night as we move into the new year itself. Taking a look at the chance for severe thunderstorms, we don't have any of that potential across the area. The best chance for thunderstorms that are non-severe would end up being on Sunday. Taking a look at our accumulated precipitation forecast over the next 5 days, nothing between this morning and Friday morning. You can see not quite all of our area should probably have at least some precipitation. Between Friday morning and Saturday morning, the bulk of that will be Friday night. You can see pretty much our entire area is covered in rain on Saturday, especially on Sunday. Everybody in the state will end up having some rain, and then we should dry out on Monday. So if you take a look at those 5-day totals, you can see if we're looking by Greensboro that we transition from the blue color to the purple color, and that threshold is about 1.5 inches. So it appears that pretty much everybody in our forecast area should have at least 3/4 of an inch over the next 5 days, again with the bulk of that coming on Sunday. Taking a look at the excessive rainfall outlook, we are not expecting any threat of flash flooding Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. We're not expecting anything on Sunday or Monday either. I did want to show you that it does end up showing a bit of an area across the North Carolina mountains stretching up into the Northeast. So at least wanted to point out that even if there isn't a threat of flash flooding here locally, that there is if you go a little bit farther west or if you are a little bit farther north. This is last week's drought update. The drought monitor is a federally issued product. There was not an update issued this week because of the holiday. So again, this is the map that we have shown you this last Monday and Thursday before that. Again, showing that about 2/3 of the state is abnormally dry, with the other third of the state in the D1 moderate drought category. Taking a look at the 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation outlook, you can see that pretty much everybody put 50 to 60%. It really is, yeah, the 50 to 60% chance for below normal temperatures for that period, January 2nd to 8th of 2025, and near normal precipitation around the entire region, with those normal temperatures shown at the bottom, upper 40s and low 50s for highs, and lows normal for this time of year are in the low to mid 30s. Taking a look at our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, you can see that there is a yellow box for fog. That's a little bit of an issue. That's actually not in our forecast area itself. That's a little bit outside of it. However, if you do see the yellow box on Sunday, that is again saying that we do have a chance of thunderstorms across the forecast area on Sunday. Taking a look at our weather summary and expected impacts, again, today will be dry and slightly cooler than normal. Friday will remain cool, but have an increasing chance of rain. You can expect that above normal temperatures and rain through the weekend, and then temperatures will remain above normal next week with another chance of rain on Tuesday. The primary hazard over the next 7 days would be the thunderstorms that are possible on Sunday. Again, you can end up seeing the highs will be into the 60s on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, specifically looking at Raleigh.